Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Critics Workspace app not working or showing error. So let's get started. So here we can see it's showing error. To fix it, you have to follow the simple method. Just press and hold it here. Then you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info. Okay. So at here we have to scroll down and just click on the storage section. Just click on clear data. Just delete it. Then you have to open the app again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to probably check for an update. So checking for an update is easy. You can directly go to the Google search bar and search for the Critics workplace. Okay, like Critics workplace, like here. So at here we can click on it here and just click on it update button and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.